am Jacopo Dettoni, Deputy Editor of FDI Magazine, and I'm here today with Gautam Sashittal, the CEO of the Dubai Multi Commodities Centre, one of the fastest growing free trade zones in the world. The Dubai Multi Commodities Centre also teamed up with futureagenda.org and the Centre for Economics and Business Research here in the UK to come up with a fresh report on the future of trade across the globe. Can you share some insights on its major findings?
What does the future of trade look like? In very simple terms, if trade digitizes, so greater digitalization is achieved in trade, that could add roughly about $29 trillion of global trade over the next decade and bring in an additional 100 million plus businesses into global trade. And this could come from emerging economies, and this would also bring SMEs into global trade. So there's huge potential from digitalization of trade.
Low oil and commodity prices have taken a toll on commodity-rich countries across the globe, and the UAE is no exception to that. How is the Dubai Multi Commodities Centre adjusting to this new reality of things in the commodity markets?
The businesses in our free zone conduct more than 600 business activities. They're not confined only to commodity trading, number one. Number two, the UAE economy is a very diversified economy, and only 30% of the economy is oil-based. 70% is non-oil-based. So what we're talking about is everything down from infrastructure through to tourism, through to financial services, through to trading. Everything is present in the free zone. So it's really, the diversity means that you're not sort of dependent on one or more commodity sectors. Also, the thing to remember is even if commodity prices are low, it's volatility that matters. So if you look at our exchange, for instance, DGCX, volumes will be based not necessarily on low or high commodity prices, but as long as there's volatility in the prices. And you're seeing some of the volatility emerging again. So if you saw, oil has gone up 50% over the last 4 or 5 weeks. So that volatility is what brings vibrancy to the markets.
Do you expect volatility to remain high and keep driving business?
We believe, I mean, I can't comment on the prices and the volatility, but what I can say is that the exchange is open to the world, and we have volumes coming from the Far East, from the Indian subcontinent, from Europe and the Americas. So it's a global exchange.
Well, this has been a very interesting conversation, so thank you.
Thank you very much, Jacopo, for having me here. It's been a pleasure.